In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your InstaCart promo code in June 2024. You can be offered discounts, free deliveries, or other perks, making grocery shopping more affordable and convenient with InstaCart promo codes. They can also incentivize users to try new services or products, fostering customer loyalty and satisfaction. To do this, simply head into your Safari. It can be any other browser of your own choice. You will then type in InstaCart promo code June 2024. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you will have to choose a legit site just like this one that has 30% off any purchase on InstaCart. Choose any coupon code and tap on Copy Code. Your code will get copied to clipboard. Make sure to enter your email address just down below to not miss out on instant deals. Go to the InstaCart official website. On the payment page, paste in your coupon code. Double check down and see if your code is applied successfully before making any payments. That's how easy it is to get your InstaCart promo code in June. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.